Maupay nga gabi mga ka-Samar Media sa Bagong Pilipinas. Di kita pagkaya na hinusa nga lugar di na syudad iton Catbalogan. Inin kaupod naton hinidinhi nga mabaysay nga inin restaurant Miles.
Yes, live na live tayo ngayon from Marie Monte Restaurant. Ngayon, we are proud to say to our audience, Salvi, we are the first media here in Catbalogan City na makaka-interview yan na aton top-notcher.
Yes, hangaran na Samar Media sa Bagong Pilipinas. Ini ang iyo surugoon, Izaldi Gabani Gabiana Habaan. Kaupod ko yan nangagabi. Siyempre, Miles Kaya. Then, adigihapon DJ Jack.
Hello.
Ngan, adigihapon Mr. Rigaspay, hansamarnews.com. Glisi, and One Radio. Ngan, sugad man John Fidel Arsenio Jr. Samar News Watch.
And we would like to thank and Salvi, ang tagiyahan ni Marie Monte, Mama Lourdes.
Yes, sa masarap na menu nila ngayong gabi.
Sa pagkakataon na ito na ibigay sa
Opo, yes. Live and direct from the city of Catbalogan, the Wisdom City of the province of Samar. Kaupod nato na pagkingana. Iton
top-notcher.
Top-notcher.
Ang CPA licensure examination nga recently pala na-release 2 days ago. Tama ba?
Oo.
Waray iba.
Maray pa mag-1
Waray pa mag-1 day.
Waray pa mag-1
Waray
day.
pa mag-1 day.
Kapulo pa.
Also,
Kagabi.
Kagabi pala.
Kagabi pala.
Kanina, 1:30.
Okay, 1:30.
Fresh na fresh.
Edward Joseph Cananoa Labi. Yan.
And of course, kaupulat natin, ang naghimuhaya.
Ma'am Sherry Ann Cananoa Labid. Siringhan na papulungan na Bible. Dinhi ha kalibutan kung maupay ang nanay, ang iroy, kung maupay magserbi ang kabataan, maupay man ang magiging resulta ang katilingban. Iko-congratulate ka naman iton imo anak nga usay iton top-notcher iton CPE exam habugos nga Pilipinas. Inin unahon tayo ito nanay ano'y pag-interview before ka na Edward. Siyempre, tag-usa kita in question. Yan na nga gabi, ma'am, akong pakiana, Zaldi Gabani Gabiana Habaan ini sa Samar Media sa Bagong Pilipinas. Ma'am, akong pakiana, gin-expect mo ba nga pag-abutit panahon magiging accountant itong imo anak?
Actually, diri po. Kasi ang amon nagtupunta, given the choice, kami nga mga parents, we would like our son to take up a medical course. Mahusay, we were told nga mas maupay gyapon kung may usa nga anak nga physician or a nurse. And then there was an instance nga nagkikinahanglan gud kami hinbulig, and it turned out nakita namon sa mga church member nga from a poor family, tas bagan waray gud tagihin mo nga service sa aton hospital. So in one of our rights nga family, so nasko anak, why not take up medicine kunta para may kita makabulig. Tapos pero that time gusto na niya at iyan na kunta desire is mag-take up in accountancy because he was told or na-motivated iya uncle, Attorney Lapid, nga mag-take up in accountancy because this is a good foundation for law. So ayun yun. Pero it turned out just the same, in pakwan nga hapon ang niya divoref kay maupay may iyan nga skilahan para hen pangpunta STEM, haiya senior high school. Pero at the end, katapos niya senior high school, mama diri ako magti-take up in ko ang gihapon accountancy gihapon ang iya. So that's it. So gimpurso gihapon niya kuan.
Okay, guys. May nakapapakiana ganit aton mother.
Siyempre, as a mother, kaya ako motherly watanong, gusto ko sabtan, how does it feel to have a top-notcher son?
Oh, of course, ang akong binkita tulog kagabi, we understand nga December 16 dapat magre-release ang pinakakuan din nga pag-release ang PRC. Pero to my mind, pag tawagan akon anak from Manila katapos mga few minutes after examination, sumiriya, mama, kuri ko ng exam, I'm not sure kung makakapasar ako. So, medyo nahulba ako. At akong prepararan while I have faith na Ginoo nga buligan niyan akon anak. Pero to my mind na sa ako, what if diri makapasaran akon anak? So kagabi, what I was preparing was anon akon bubuhaton, what comfort will I give to my son in case diri ka makapasar. Actually, ang na akon binuna-una. So we waited for mga hours, pero waray man, mga about 10 o'clock. Sige, pangaturog na kita. Together, aniya kampal nga mga bugto. So, ganito, tapos nag-sleep kami. Nakamata ako ang past 12. Waray pa man. Kung pa man niya, waray pa man result. Pero I think, pag abot niya, mga almost 2 o'clock adat yung, mama, nakapasar ako. So, nagkuhan na ako, kalma na ako, pero I really praise God nga diri umbot ang punto nga anak ko yung problema kung paano ko i-comfortan akon anak ko diri good man niya makapasal. Actually, ako din akong concern.
Yeah. Nga di naman hit aton inin top notcher, ano? Antis kita kumadahiton imo pagka-top notcher, hindi nga exam, hindi nga board exam, inin kumusta ka? Kumo usa ka estudyante, ano ang mga naging dako ni mga challenge hana eskwela ka ba? Labi na kay UP ini, maramgod kita itong standard, labi na ito na pagtaga-grado. Ano ang imo baga gimbuhat nga na-handle mo man ini, na kaya mo man ini ang standard sa UP nga waray katurugay. Maram ako nga itong pinaka dako ni mga katurog sa UP dahil mga usara ka oras. Yes, subati kami.
Ako po ito maghihimo. Ako first good nga ako sa ipaning challenge nga na-face, lalo naman good nga di naman good ako nag-eskwela, summer high, so from elementary, kaya ako at Balogan, and going to another location, dire at Balogan, Tacloban, grabe yung challenge, especially financially, di rin yung financially yung problem, pero how you manage your money. So, syempre, you were gonna live independently, dire mo po yung family, how you're gonna handle things alone. Ngayon, at siguro problems ko, haakads, I was just blessed na nagkamid ako yung maupay nga instructor accounting during my very first year nga. May culture man good talaga nga sa UP that it's really, whether we like to admit it or not, baka medyo yung pagka-competitive, and you need to be submerged in that culture nga. Kailangan not necessarily be competitive with your other classmates, but you need to be competitive within yourself. So, I had to find that fire, and by God's grace, na-encourage ka na mo-motivate ako nga just to do my best. So, that was the thing that kept me nga magpadayon, and mag-study, maupay, bisan sa panik kakuri, and especially akon kay nag-uuli-uli ako from Tacloban to Catbalogan during weekends. And so, my time na dapat nakaalat na sana pag-study, it was being cut short due to the travel, ng jet lag pa at kapoy panlawas. Kay nakadi ako Balogan, kay na active ka pa ako at church. So, that was the challenge nga ko man. Pero by God's grace, nakaya man mabalance ang akad life, ngahin, personal life, church life as well. So,
Edward, yung pangarap mo ba maging top notcher?
That's I haven't thought of that. Siguro anyone can have anyone nga nagtitake in board. Siguro you should have you should have an innate motivation nga mag-top. Kaya I actually believe nga pag mag-aim ka nga in high, bisan di rin ito ma-achieve, basta adik ka ubus, at least sulit ka, or at least happy kayong paligurigon. Pero at the long run, since pandemic man good, and I faced a lot of challenges, yun pa yung challenge ko. So, sa college life ko because of the pandemic and online class, super...
Naabtan ka na pandemic.
3 years ako college ng pandemic. So, it was very hard, and di na ito mabot ang time nga kuan talaga ako, na-stuck na di kabalay, tas waray makakaaramin maupay. Actually, nagkabagsak ako sa subject. Nagkamay na, actually na akong nakatuloy na akong Facebook, nag-share ka ba ng story. Nagka-receive ako yung 4 akong tax, and because of that, na-disqualify ako pagka Latin honors. And siguro, sa pangani, natud man doon ako Bible, all things work together for good. So, I believe may dato plano para ang Ginoo nato na naka-4 ako. Tapos hindi mo kaya bagal motivation ba? Like I'll just try to do my best para hindi nga boards. And pero siguro ang first half ang boards sir kaya pa pero wala din na latter end. Waray na para especially nga mismo board exam. Han first day mismo na akong like ang first 2 subjects nga kaukuri-duri. Pag uli ko, Lord, pasaran na lang. Bisan makapasar la. Like, sugad talaga kakuri. And honestly, kagabi yan akong pag-set up, nag-try pa ako pag direct niya nga naturog. Kaya ko nila kabuwasan na ako. Pero bakit alas 12, 12:01, buwas naman ito. So, yun nabantayin ko. Mga laon na good man gumawas. Tapos nag-set up pa ako yung akong camera. Kaya bibideo ko laban akong reaction. Kaya ano lang, ako nakapasar rotary. Tapos, at ay maluyan internet tapos nagka-crash ang PRC. Ngayon, gini-scroll ko na akong laptop. Bari man may nagawas kay Black. Eh, mahina, di rin nga mahina yung internet. Pero dahil nagka-crash. At tapos signal ako may nag-chat among group chat nga. Congrats Edward top 10. Wow. Ano yun yun sila?
Wow, top 10.
Guys, ayaw mo paglino, ayaw mo pag-giro joke, di rin tumahupay. Tapos, adikot man ko no, umud. Tapos, amo na ito, ginusagsendera screen chat. Tapos, wala yung mga katuhod, baka natulalaan niya ako. So, ito, mas nauna pa nabaro nga, nakatop 10 ako kaysa nakapasar ako. So, that was the funny thing. Pero after that, I just prayed and thank God kay ito talaga ako makuri.
Sir, ano po bang ginawa niyong preparation para maka-inspire naman kayo sa mga aspiring gihapon nga magte-take sunod?
Para ako, especially pag-adi ka accountancy, I believe accountancy is one of, if not the hardest course here in the Philippines. Like, kada ko talaga standards naton in accountancy board nga di. Tapos di rin na match ang standards sa aton board of accountancy pati in undergrad education. So that's the challenge here in the Philippines. And for me, if you're an accountancy student and gusto mo talaga maging CPA, it all starts at the undergrad level. If di rin ka maging committed while you're at undergrad, mahuhulian ka talaga. And if you do not take the time na mag-study talaga, do not take the time nga mag-setting schedule each day, maging disiplina yung palugaringon nga suwadi nga time, diri makukurian ka talaga when it comes to review because the review is supposed to be by the name itself, review na lang talaga, yeah, just an extension. Pero bisa ni ako, the review for me, may dako mga topic, UP na nga ni ako. May mga topic talaga to yung mga subject ka board exam no 100% nga ko na review center. And I don't blame the UP itself. I would blame the pandemic because the country was not ready for the pandemic setup na hybrid and it was really a challenge for most of the students. Pero para ako mayakan ng mga students while you're still in undergrad, take time to make some notes kasi amo talaga ito. Pag-abot mo review, i-review mo na talaga. Di rin pwede nga baka ito ka review. First encounter mo pala topic, kaya mo kurang talaga because reviews are supposed to be 4.5 months la. So that would be my advice to them. Have discipline in yourself, be committed, and I would just leave them this saying na it's okay to fail. Like in accountancy, there's no such thing as smooth sailing. You'll really experience setbacks. Makaka-feel ka, mabagsak ka, minsan hindi ka makaintindihan, pero ang importante na padayon ka lang, even nakukurian ka, because you have to be committed and you have to be disciplined, and that's the spirit na makakaget ka aiming ng CPA. And of course, you have to keep on that faith in God. It's for me, and of course, iba-iba man kita na tao.
Okay, from Mr. Ray Gaspar of samarnews.com.
Edward, in the history of UP Tacloban Accountancy, ikaw pala ba ang nakakuha sa ganito nga highest rating in the board examinations?
No po.
In the previous ko,
Yes, because actually, I think accountancy is the flagship program of UP Tacloban. And actually, last year, in the same October, top 1 and top 7 from UP Tacloban gihap. Tapos Ate Aline and I think Ate Aline and Ate Ira. Pero before last year, more than pira ka years. I think it was basta decades sobra nga. Wari nag-top notcher from UP Tacloban.
The last 2 years,
last
at the
2 years,
same 2
may
years.
top notcher and UP Tacloban. So, ayun.
So ano ang incentive ang UP Tacloban as a top notcher?
That I do not know, and I don't think meron because it's a state university. Di rin mo pare sa mga private nga.
Private.
Okay, from Miss Glissy Borinaga.
From moderator. Yeah. Edward, what is your plan? Yan nga nakapasar ka na, ano ba itong plano mo? Magtrabaho ka ba din or you're going to abroad?
Wow.
Government or private?
Okay.
Ano ba tayo mo target?
That's
What is
a
your
very,
plan?
very hard question to answer because actually I'm still continuing to pray. Hindi ko na naman yung plan na akon. Pero kung na akon na, sering pa kanina na bagan plan to mag-lawyer. Pero being from UP, when may naka-instill talaga ito amon nga part nga to give back to the community, of course, for scholars. So, for my part, kung ako na tugutan, I would like to be part of the academe actually. If given the opportunity to be part of the academe in UP Tacloban as well, para in some way, accountancy GitHub, makatura mga students, para mag-give back ko ba na akong knowledge, dot and all. And God willing, if tugutan niya, I would want to enroll in law school din, if that's the case. Pero, sa rin pa it's a very hard decision yan. Lalo na kayo, damot gabit, especially pag napapart ka top notcher, damot mga magmimili yung mga firms.
Damot offer.
Damot
Manila,
offer.
damot offer na. Pero,
Damot offer.
So maguguluhan ka.
yun na.
In word, pakiyada ko mo, in what can you say about the reed tagging, about UP? Since naging top notcher ka, then di na ka UP na-graduate, ano ito imo hapag kaya na mahisisiring ano kakarawton mo ba nga Ethiopia it nagpo-produce it mga komunista Pilipinas, ano imo comment regarding hini nga reed tagging?
Oh, so of course man amo man ito image kit UP na pag nakuha na ng UP red ko lang sa pero I've had some friends, some classmates who form part of this activism and all that. And for me talaga, I don't treat activism as part of the terrorism automatic as as tawag nito mga NPA na kuno. And I think it's unfair to some of the students who are being red tagged unfairly just because of what they're trying to fight for. Although I would also say on some part there are really siguro there are communist na mga parties who are trying to creep in into some of the students. Pero I think it's unfair na may mga students nga anira pinapaglaban, tama talaga. And they are not really part of this communist groups and they are being unfairly tagged. Pero that's it. Ang sinisirin ko nga, because when you think about ang tawag ini, I was always taught na di rin mag-api mga join sa gatini, mga rally-rally. Pero I do understand kung ano nila pinapaglaban. And I think these foreign protests are necessary as a society yung ma-bring up yung mga issues. Pero in a sense what I do not want yung mga armed rebels nga magkakalaban natin mga police nga magko-causing chaos. So nagakamay din na ito nga dahil confusion kung paano yung maseseparate kung hino talaga ang mga students nga naglalaban man talaga ang tama. They're only being activists and they are not hindi nga mga tataga mga CPP and
So you go with the negotiation, not to the armed struggle.
Pardon?
You support on the principle of negotiation when there is a problem, and you are not supporting on the idealism of armed struggle.
Preferably we want to prevent any armed struggle because it would cost a lot of lives. Damot mamamatay, damot mga magkukuhan. So I would think negotiations between the government and the other marginalized sectors na pwede mabuligan yung mga needs. Pero I do believe that the government is actually helping. It's actually trying to help those people. And yun nga lang, there's no such thing as a perfect world in that side because
Wow.
you know what?
Hindi lang matalino sa matang nakikita ko dito. I see
Yeah.
another attorney Labi de Kaya kada dati magyakan. I heard kanina ni mo yakan na your high school life was spent in Samar National School,
Yes.
tama ba? Okay. So, any memory as being also a teacher in Samar, gusto ko baruan kung ano't mga memory ni mo Samar national school, including to the teacher ha, na makakasiringan nakag-contribute han imo foundation ng education.
Oh, wow. Dako nga part kaya ako nakag-survive sa UP was my education in Samar National School. I don't know if naaram ka mo, pero it's now a defunct curriculum. Part ako ng MG, mentally gifted class. Yan ang waray na hira. Waray na MG Summer High. Kami second to the last batch iton. And that class was very special kay
Special class.
advanced na namon mga subjects duro-duruhan nga. Pag-abot ko senior high, like hasang nasa na ako bagan mas easier para ako na akong senior high compared to na akong junior high. So good kaupay na education yung nakuha nga daha Samar National School. And doon talaga.
Thumbs
May
up.
pan-headlines na po.
So, ayun. I don't know kung ano yan at best nga special class nga na Summer High. Pero, I still believe nga maupay education nga na SNS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher
Happy-
at summer high o sa lala.
Yeah.
Teacher at summer high nga nag-mark.
Oh!
Shucks. Usala.
Usala.
Ala kaming tumayda akon. Nay. Usala ako na akong teacher, Ma'am Habonero. Ma'am Rotea Habonero.
Oh, wow.
Because nagyan ako na-advise sa grade 7 ngayon higapit yung bakan strict to ako nga bakan I think na nakakaaramit yung may potential ako pero disappoint yan nagpinasa yung didinutaman lang ako dun senior high di rin pa nagtitinuhay so she was one of the teachers nga from grade 7 to grade 10
Yeah.
Okay, Edward.
Thank you, Edward.
Yeah, Edward, kumo anak ka usa nga educator. Labi na kay Samar State University at imo mother tatrabaho. Ano ang pressure nga imo ginagihan ha iya? Hin nga imo pag-aram nga nakahuman ka. I mean, mabot ba yung panahon nga gina-expect ka niya nga
actually that's one of the great things sa masyadong kanda mama because I never felt
pressured?
pressure even though may the name nga kananoa o labid nga so dito wala ako nira yung pressure bisan pag-abutin ni nga board exam pag-take na ako they always reassured me nga na bisan pa man anong result proud na kami imo so I had that privilege, I had that support from my parents that no matter what, they will always be there for me. And of course, as a student, as an anak, you will try to do your best kaya di rin mo ito i-fail. Nga ni-honor mo ito nga tapo dan imo mga parents sa imo. So, siguro ang pressure nga ako na-feel, akong sarili nagbutang. Self-inflicted pressure. Kaya siguro may standards kayo mo kalugaringon. Amo to na pressure. Siguro kanda mama, kanda papa, maray man good.
You mentioned a while back that you got a low grade in one of your subjects.
Yes.
So now you have proven that grades does not always measure intelligence. Any advice to Samarinian student and the students from Samar who also want to be a top notcher like you?
That's saling ko pa nga ni kanina na of course it all starts in the undergrad and there's always a saying that we can compare the greatness we can measure the greatness of a man not by how many times he falls but by him rising every time he falls and that's what I believe in kung kita nakaka-experience kita in setbacks example lang ka-receive in low grade 4 man ito 75 man ito ayaw kita pag-linger, ayaw kita pag-stay ito nga point nga mapapadara kita na siya na ini. Let's always take it a point nga mag-improve and try to understand ourselves. Pero ako kasi I was able to overcome that. Siguro akong faith nga the way I understand things around my life. Ako kasi pag understand ito, there's always a reason for why things happen. And for me talaga, may reason ka pa doon kaya ako naka-4. And sino ko pa bukan bukan fairy tale story ini nga natabo akon kay intagan akong 4 ang Ginoo kay siguro may purpose siya nga naka top 10 na board. So I always think like that and I don't know para iba paano nila mahihimo pero every time nga maka-receive man kita in low grade or setbacks not only in academics or life you just keep on coming back and keep on coming back and that's the one thing.
Last question. You're good-looking, sir. So, are you single or somebody inspires you or what?
Still,
Pang showbiz yung tanong
Yan,
ko.
mama.
Maday mama.
nandito si mama.
Bawin pa naman din ni Papa.
Inin kumustahi Edward dahan iya pagtubo, nga dahan iya pagdako, nga dahan iya paggraduar. May time ba nga kinurian ka iya or usa ka bisis anoan imo gimbuhat nga baga ini ang tawag hindi nag-cross naman hiyahan bridge han imo roles.
Difficult question.
Yeah.
Pero haakon ba, as a mother, ako nakita kan Edward, bisan pa yan iya younger years, bisan pa yan grade 4. I think, if I'm not mistaken, 4 years old ka ba to nag-start pagbasa, pag-read, or 2 years old? Pag something like that. So, mga about 2 or 3. Kay, perbihag ko na niya father mga Bible verses ba. Pero anak ko na-notice sa iya, bisan pa niya 4, 5, 6, ito, may diya discipline talaga. Kami, bisan kami nag-fellowship ng family or damang mga tao pala. Na-notice ko iya, pag sa 7 talaga, makatunat iya kwarto kung mag-aaram or makaturog. So di na iya na ako nakita mo, may na talaga yung discipline bisan pa niya and iya younger years. So, haamon naman, tama to niya siring nga, dili talaga kami naghahatag iirahin ng pressure. So, just do your best. Take note, and ginuuma na nakikita iyo, so you're accountable of your life. Tapos, just do what is best. Tapos, take note, we cannot always be there as parents all the time. So, kitaanin mo nga, every time ka nagtatrabaho, nag-aaram, ang Ginoo talaga nalilipay pahiya o diri. But anyway, speaking of Edward, bagay na-notice ko na iya, pisang paniya buti ay pahiya. Bagay may daniya discipline, iya na mismo. So, it never came to a point kaakon as a mother, bisan pa na akong husband nga, Edward, pag-aram na. Edward, study time na. So, bisan pa akong kambal, i-grace ni Faith, kami nalugod na nasing ira, anak, stop na kang pag-inaram. No, we would rather see you healthy than spend a lot of time studying. Kaya dali nagkangaturog alauna, alas 2 na sukuno. Stop na kamo ito. Kumbaga, that is true. Tama niya sa rin, hindi kami naghahatag rin pressure.
So, di nagtitikang Edward ini nga imo.
May
Ini
ira.
Di nagtitikang. Ini nga imo pag hinaram, di man ini nagtitikang. Kung di man nga entikan kan mama, kan papa. Paano ka nandisuga din? Para makatag tayo inspiration na tayo.
Actually, hindi rin mo pa kumarapon.
Nature.
Sana all.
Hindi ko na kumaram. Bisan, to very good. Siguro sa rin pa kanin nila nga, hindi na ito itong God-given intellect. Pero ako lumayakan in college, waray na ito. College, bisan ka man gano'n kabalto or ka-gifted ka bata, pagka-college pag di ka mag-aral, waray talaga. So, ayun nga ngayakan, gina-ask mo when ako na-develop. Actually, na-develop ako paging studios, di na talaga UP. Di na nakita ko nga, because in UP, di rin i-spoon feed. It lesson sa imo. When you go to a classroom, quiz anay. Quiz anay before discussion.
Yeah.
Yes.
And pag quiz, after that quiz, the quiz nga yung answeran, after yung mag-record scores, ako palang gagamiton para mag-discuss ang lesson for the day. So you have to be disciplined nga. Like, the day before the class, naka-advance ka na 2 to 3 nga topics. So that was a discipline that was needed. And yun nga, I wish that nagtuloy-tuloy face-to-face because sadly during the pandemic, nawara niya itong mga discipline. And it was really hard na maibalik nino ito. And that was the reason na nagkamay ako 4. Kay, of course, na may time na may Zoom classes kami, naka-online lang ako, nakaturog. So, waray talaga discipline. And that was a challenge. Pero, I'm glad na nagkamay in 1 year na nabalikan face-to-face and I had to reset. And if I wanted to survive in the program, I had to give it my all and give it all I did.
Being a UP graduate, maaraw naman kita sa UP nga very strict iton implementar. Honesty is the best policy. Now you are a certified public accountant. Paggawas nimo nga diha ha katilingban, will you be adjusting to the political system or will you impose what you have learned in UP?
That's a very easy answer. That's a very easy question to answer theoretically para atong nga tanan. And I do believe para ako I want to uphold the values nga ako na adman a UP, not only in UP but based on my faith and to my family. And that's why as much as possible kaya nga ako I don't how do you say this? I don't want to be part of the government. I don't want to be part of the kasi sa accountancy actually apat yung sectors. Pwede kang mag-private, pwede kang mag-public, pwede kang mag-academic, tsaka government. Ako, I want to distance myself because integrity really is one of the main values I to not only in UP but also in our family and in my faith that I believe. So, I don't want to live like a hypocrite nga. You are especially being a scholar ng bayan, you are being your academic, your college life has been funded by the public. So you want to give back and ayun, I don't want to steal. I don't want to steal instead of giving back. So ayun, as much as possible, I don't want to be part of that. Kasi sharing ko pa kanina, as much as we want this world to be perfect, it's not. So ayun, humans, different perspectives, different point of views, and it's really hard to manage, yun.
Ayan. So, mga ka-summer media sa Bagong Pilipinas, nakasama po natin ngayong gabi si Sir Edward Joseph Cananua Lapid. Siya po ang number 10 sa Certified Public Accountant na si board exam. At syempre, ang kanyang pinakamamahal na ina, si Professor Sherry Ann Cananua Lapid ng Samar State University. Napakinggan po natin ang nakaka-inspire na kwento ng kanilang buhay kung paano nila ito napaglabanan. Kasama po natin ngayong gabi syempre si Miles Kaya ng One Radio. Then si Jason Dumaog, DJ Jack, si Kuya Ray Gaspay ng samarnews.com, si John Arsenio ng Samar Newswatch, Glacy Borinaga ng One Radio, si Ma'am Lourdes, yung may-ari nito ng
The venue.
na napakaganda, Glacy. At ito po ang inyong lingkod, Zaldi Gabani
And
Gabiana
before we end,
Yeah.
gusto natin muna hingan ng kanilang
Party.
last message. From the
Inspirational
parent na muna.
Inspirational talk.
Inspirational talk para sa ating mga viewers. Ang dami kayang viewers. Ang dami viewers. Ang daming na-view na teachers.
Final words. Siguro as a mother, as a parent,
Loading.
the good thing that we can, one thing that we can do with our children or our son or daughter who will be taking examinations, siguro the only thing that we can do is pray for them, pray for their success, and then support them. Kung ano po ang ating pwede mai-support ng ating mga anak, why not also giving them pressure? So, siguro mas better talaga, now I see as an educator, we have two kinds of motivation, intrinsic and extrinsic. Well, we can motivate our children to be successful and to reach their dreams in life. Mas better gihapon ito nga hirap mismo personally, hiraan na may intrinsic motivation nila. Kaya mismo ang nagpapalit.
Edward.
Edward.
Final message, inspirational
While
message.
I would like to say na while being one of the top notchers is a great privilege, I would like to say na being its own, I would like to say na hindi ka lang magiging person would make a difference in this world just because of being a top notcher. Every one of us, every student, whatever university you came from, you can be a great citizen, you can make a difference, especially in our country. So I would like to encourage each and everyone to do well in their undergrad pa lang, and I hope as Jose Rizal once said nga, that we're going to be the future of the country. I hope we graduate from our institutions, academic institutions, not only as those with flying colors in the intellectual field, but also as students na merong integrity, merong values, and merong kindness, not only filled with greed for our own selves, but also with a heart to help people and a heart for God. And that's what I would like to impart with you all. God bless you all. I give God all the glory.
Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Sige na, Maria. Monte, mapapod natin na